Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, open your textbook, EVS textbook, World Around Me. Open page number 4040. Modes of transport. Children, let's quickly revise the lesson Modes of transport. Land transport. Vehicles that moves on road or land are called land transport. Metro. Metro runs on tracks. Which vehicle is this? Metro. It is underground train. Bicycle. Bicycle. Car. Car. Bus. Bus. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Scooter. Three-wheeler. Three-wheeler. Truck. Truck. Page number 41. Rickshaw. Which vehicle is this? Rickshaw. You can see this rickshaw in small villages. Train. Train. Train runs on tracks. Air transport. Vehicles that move on air are called air transport. हवा में चलने वाले व्हीकल्स को एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट कहते हैं, जैसे हेलीकॉप्टर, एरोप्लेन, हेलीकॉप्टर, एरोप्लेन. वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. जो पानी में चलने वाले व्हीकल्स को वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट कहते हैं. बोट, शिप, submarine. Children, let's do an activity. Children, here is an activity for you. Write L for land vehicle, W for water vehicle, A for air vehicle. See, here are vehicles like boat, bus, aeroplane, scooter, ship, car, air balloon, auto rickshaw. You have to identify and recognize the vehicle, and you have to write L for land vehicle, W for water vehicle and A for air vehicle. देखो, यहाँ पे बहुत सारे व्हीकल्स हैं. इसमें से आपको लैंड व्हीकल, वाटर व्हीकल, एयर व्हीकल को पहचानना है. लैंड व्हीकल को पहचान के L लिखना है, वाटर व्हीकल को पहचान के W लिखना है और एयर व्हीकल को पहचान के A लिखना है. Let's start the activity. Boat. Which vehicle is this? Boat. Now children, tell me what we have to write here. We have to write L. We have to write here L. No. We have to write A. No. We have to write W. Yes, we have to write W. Boat is water vehicle. We have to write W. Bus. Now tell me children what we have to write here. L. Very good. Bus is land transport. We have to write L. Which vehicle is this? Aeroplane. Very good. What we have to write here? We have to write W here? No. What we have to write? A. Yes, very good. Scooter. Which vehicle is this? Scooter. What we have to write here? We have to write a W? No. We have to write A? No. We have to write L. Scooter runs on road. It is a land transport. Yes, very good. Ship. Where does ship moves? Ship moves on water. What we have to write here? We have to write L? No, we have to write W. Yes, we have to write W. Car. Where do you see car? Yes, you see car on road. Yes, what we have to write here? We have to write L. Yes, it is a land vehicle. Which vehicle is this? Air balloon. Yes, where do you see air balloon? You see in air. Yes, what we have to write here? We have to write a W. No, we have to write A. Yes, it is a air balloon. We have to write A. A for air vehicle. Auto rickshaw. Now tell me children what we have to write here? L. Yes, very good. We have to write L. Here completes our activity. Okay, bye children.